Hey guys, hey boo, hello. Unibling, is it billing or bin? Correct me if I'm not pronouncing it well. Put this on it as a gift. Thank you. This is so cute. This is a bangle. This is so cute. These are cases to put your contact lenses. See this case? Wow, they are so cute. The contact is packaged like this. See the packaging? So guys, let's get into the application of the lenses. So I find out something about these lenses. They did not indicate the name of the styles on the boxes, so they are supposed to indicate each name on them either at the top here or by the side, so that you can identify it easily. So unfortunately they didn't do that. I would have appreciated the name written on it, but guys, don't worry, I will check on their website and try to figure out the names of each of the styles I'm going to share with you guys today. So I will write it on the screen. So I will do that when I'm editing this video. So guys, after today's video, I'm going to do another video in 2 weeks time to share with you guys how to care for them, how to wear the contact lenses, how to remove them, how to store them. In case you're finding it difficult to wear your contact lenses, I'm going to show you the easy way you can wear these contact lenses. Okay, so I'm going to wear these same contact lenses in that second video. I ordered 6, but I'm going to share with you guys today only 4, and in the second video I will try this other 2 that are here. Since their names are not written on them, I cannot tell you guys. Let me open the 2 I'm not going to share with you guys today. So this, you see this one. So in my next video I'm going to share this one with you guys, and this other one. Okay. So guys, look at this first one. You see this? It has this purple undertone on it. It looks gorgeous. I like this. So if you want to change your eye color, you see that my natural eye color is black, and with this it changes. Okay, if you want to change your eye color, wow, this is so gorgeous. Look at this. See this? It's lovely. So let me wear the other one so that we'll see. Okay. Oh, I like this, and it's very, very clear. You see clearly with it. Let me wear the other one. Okay guys, this is the 2 on. You see it from a distance. Wow, this changes my look, changes my eye. I love this color. It looks so gorgeous. It's lovely, but I can't see clearly since I put the other one. I don't know, maybe I did not remove the water from it. Okay, I think it's better now. So from a close range, you can see this is so gorgeous. I really love this. Love the purple. I think this is the first time I'm wearing this kind of color, purple color like this. You guys know I like contact lenses. I always wear them, and this one, ooh, my first time of wearing this kind of color, and I like it. And this is the bracelet. The bracelet this same. Okay. I wore it to do the video. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow, I really love this. Let me know what you think. This is so lovely. Let me know what you guys think about this color on the comment section, because me, I love this color. I so much love this. Okay, let me try another color for you guys to see. Don't forget, I said I'm going to put the names on the screen when I'm editing it, because right now I can't lay my hands on the names. I'll have to go to their website to check, or check my order. It's going to take a lot of time. I just want to share them with you guys, the colors with you guys fast, and that's it. Okay, and I'm going to talk more about them after about 2 weeks or 1 month of wearing them. I will try them again, then share with you guys. Guys, look at this one. This one has green and black. These are the kind of color I have never worn before since I've been wearing contact lenses. Okay, since I've been wearing colored contact, I have never tried all these colors before. This is so beautiful. This is charming. This is gorgeous. You can see that. You see my eye and you see the contact here. So guys, and there is another thing I find out about these contact lenses. They did not indicate in the case right and left, so they just differentiate them with colors. So it's like this one, if you're putting the right hand side on this one that has this purple color, or the left on this one that has white, but you can easily forget. Okay, I would have prefer if they indicate right and left, so that it will be easy for you whenever you wear your contact, you want to rewear them, you know your left from your right. But with the colors you can't forget, so I will appreciate they do that. So I just want to make that clear also. So about this one, you see it's kind of green and black, and this is gorgeous. Ooh, I haven't tried this kind of colored contact lenses before, that the colors are so vibrant, so bright. So how will I put it, they are really like kind of the dramatic side, but I like it in a soft way, in a soft manner. I don't know if what I'm trying to explain makes sense. Okay, but this is so lovely. I like it. See it here, you see my natural eye. The changes is great. It's great. Wow, this looks so gorgeous, so gorgeous. See this? Wow, see that is just so fantastic, so fantastic. See the color, so beautiful. Okay, you can see that it has green, gray and black. I see this one is kind of khaki and gray color, and this one looks so natural. It's on the natural side more than those other ones I tried. Got it. Let me zoom in. See it. See the color. It's gorgeous. Okay, I love this one. I just love the fact that it looks natural. It's not too how will I put it? It's not too bright, not too vibrant. Okay, that's the word. It's not too vibrant. It's on the cool side. I like it. So if you don't like those colors that I wore at first, those blue, the blue and the green, if you are the type that like natural contacts, you will like this one. This one is so cool. Okay, so guys, these are the two on. See this? Wow, like I said, it's natural. It's gorgeous. Really looks so natural. Let me zoom the two in for you guys to see. See this? Wow. Wow, this is so great. I like it because it looks natural. Like I said, it looks very soft and beautiful. It has this kind of khaki green and black. Yeah, wow, this one has this kind of, is it light blue? I can't, it's like gray and white. It's still on the natural side. Okay, this one looks good as well. Look at it, you can see my natural eye, and this is the contact lens. Mind you, these are colored contact lenses. They are not medicated contacts. Okay, they are just ordinary colored contact lenses. In case if you use medicated lenses, when you want to order, make it clear to them that you wear medicated lenses, so that they will know what to give to you. Okay, so guys, these are the two on. See this? Wow, let me zoom it. You see the two. So guys, that is it. I tried the 4 for you guys today. Like I said, in the next video I'm going to try the rest too, then show you guys how to apply them, how to care for them, how to remove your contact lenses, okay, in the next video. So I'm going to leave the link to each of the style I tried today on the description box, and even the rest too. And don't forget, I'll put their name on the screen so that you'll be able to identify them. So that is it. Check the description box in case if you are interested. They are from Unibling. Is it Billing or Unibling? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. That is the name. You see? So that's the brand. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next one. See then, remain conscious.